Manufacturing is in the DNA of Loughborough University, and we also have a long tradition in electronics manufacturing and embedded systems. And we partnered up with Heriot-Watt University, and they bring the expertise in sensor making. So Loughborough University is the perfect host for a centre in doctoral training of embedded intelligence.
I have always been interested in embedded intelligence, actually, since I was an undergraduate student. My area of research is in energy monitoring for the manufacturing sector. I believe now it's the first time that we do actually have the resources to move away from all that big data and start collecting smart data instead.
I wanted to stay at Loughborough to do my PhD because it was the best place to do what I wanted to do, which was using optics, and that it fitted in very naturally with the CDT. It is student-led, and I think that's really important for just your enjoyment in general of the CDT. Your PhD is really the start of you trying to develop for your own benefit. I mean, the CDT provides you with a training budget, and that really allows you to customise and personalise what you want to do.
I looked at all different programs and I found the CDT of Embedded Intelligence that not only give a PhD but also give a lot of industrial training and a lot of connection with industrial companies like BMW, my sponsoring company. We are creating a hybrid system, we call it the highly automated driving, that combines the safety of driverless cars and the enjoyment of normal driving.
In my group we have multiple areas of expertise, like computer scientists, engineers, even people with a background in arts. And by combining all this together, we hope to build an infrastructure that's unique and doesn't exist so far, and will help improving all areas of manufacturing. We also get to do some extra training outside the lab, which is called the transition zone. It includes presentation skills, communication skills, and not only helps us develop as a person, but it's something that you can take on after you leave the center for your future career.
I feel my research in particular is important to be related to industry. If you know there's a company that's interested in your idea, it means that when you finish the project and you want to talk about it with other people, you can say, well, I did this research, it's been taken on now by Taylor Hobson or by another company. It gives you just that little bit of edge, I would say, over someone just doing a traditional 3-year PhD. Outside the PhD, there's so much to do in Loughborough. I'm a sub-warden. I live in halls with the students, and I sort of provide them with like a pastoral care service. It just gives me a nice contrast with the PhD.
The most enjoyable thing about being in the program is quite difficult to define. I think it's all about the atmosphere, about the cohort, about all the facilities that I have access to for my research. Having other cohort students looking at my problems in the PhD helps me quite a lot. We might have different problems, but at the very end of the day, we apply the same procedures in solving them.